Hey guys, so I'm gonna make, since I just got home, I've been thinking about these Aussie Bites. Can you see me okay? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I've got all of the things out for them, and I'm gonna show you how to make them because I just got off of work and I might be tired, but I haven't made a video in a long time, so hope you enjoy it. Let's go ahead and cut to making the quinoa. I guess I could show you the ingredients another way, another fashion, just a sec. So I'm gonna try to use some tapioca flour, some sunflower seeds, some raisins, some walnuts, some honey, some old-fashioned oats, some quinoa, some chia seed, and some flax seed. What else am I gonna add? Dried fruit? No. That's the raisins. Hey, Jethro. Hi. Do you like my light? Or is it kind of weird? It's kind of weird, huh? Can you see me? No. Are you hungry? I wonder what this looks like. Let's make some Aussie Bites. We'll see how it goes. Because I have this light, which is really bright, but also I'm just using my phone, and that's okay. I can use my phone. This is a pretty nice setup. Maybe I should play guitar instead of cook, because I'm tired, because I've been cooking all night already. I was gonna turn on some music, but Google doesn't know what it's doing. Hey Google, play Fink Radio on Pandora.
Sure. Here's a Pandora station.
Now she gets it. So I don't know, my ingredient list is probably on my phone and I won't be able to find it, so maybe I'll go print off the instructions. I don't freaking know. Maybe I could just play it by ear and let you guys know later how much of each ingredient I used. Get some water, but not this much water. So I've got some water, and I'm gonna go ahead and start boiling that for the quinoa. And I think I let it boil before I put the quinoa in. I don't know. I think that's how you make quinoa, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I've got the quinoa water going, and then I'm gonna have my food processor here. Food process some of the flaxseed and the chia seed, I think. Oh, no, we put the old-fashioned oats in there first. So we're gonna do, like, I think a cup of old-fashioned oats. Let me go find the instructions. Okay, so I've got a cat that's not allowed in the food, but you know, if you guys have animals and you don't mind them on the counter, that's up to you. I am following the instructions on how to cook quinoa because I don't remember how to do it. There is a hole there. Can you see me? I don't know if you could before. So I've got this package of organic, super green blend, quinoa, millet, red quinoa, and black wheat, buckwheat. So I've got a mix of stuff, and then also I'm gonna get out some old-fashioned oats and flaxseed and chia seed because I have a very simple recipe I found off Pinterest. It says 1 3/4 cup of rolled oats. I don't think I have that many oats, so I'm just kind of going to replace it with a little bit of flour, that tapioca flour to be exact. And then I don't have any apricots or figs or dates, so I'm just gonna keep the raisins. Then it says they're coconut sugar, and I don't have that, but I've got brown sugar. Shredded coconut, I don't know if I have that. Let me look. Nope, I don't see any. I have cinnamon. It calls for cinnamon, and I can put ginger. I like ginger, so I should put some ginger and cinnamon in there, and then I got the brown sugar, but I don't have the coconut flakes. Nope, no coconut. That's okay. If you don't have dried fruit, like apricots and stuff, that's okay. You don't need it. You know, you can just make this up however you want. You can substitute things. I've got the quinoa going. It's just simmering. I'm supposed to cover it. I didn't cover it yet. Maybe I should cover that. My kitchen's too dirty to do this. So I'm gonna follow the instructions, and I'm taking you back over to the food processor, okay? Friday, we see you. She's trying to be invisible. What, Jethro? Are you guys all getting along? Y'all want to go outside? You're just going to run away for years if you do. I don't want to let you out. Okay, so I'm supposed to put something in the food processor, I think. It says preheat my oven, but I'm not ready for that. It says add 1 cup of rolled oats to your food processor. Old-fashioned whole grain oats. They're rolled, I guess. So a cup of rolled oats, let it run until the oats are turned into a fine flour. So we're making oat flour. To that, add the remaining 3/4 cup of rolled oats. So I'm gonna need more flour or rolled oats. A 1/4 cup of dried apricots, a 1/4 cup of raisins, a 1/4 cup of coconut sugar, which is the brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of shredded coconut, which I don't have. So I'm just gonna double up on these raisins. I'm also gonna go ahead and put in the walnuts. That's what I have. Walnuts in this. It says add the sunflower seeds, the flax meal. I don't have meal, I have flax seed. I think I'm gonna add that in. So turn your stuff down to simmer, not boiling. I wonder if you can see me still. I don't even know. This is just how it's gonna be. So sunflower seeds, chia seeds, flax meal, all of the ingredients are on here. Baking soda and salt. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. So let me just follow the instructions on camera. I don't know if this angle's good. I better check. I think that's better. I don't really, sorry about all this. Just, there. None of that exists. This is gonna be loud. Are you ready, Jethro? Whoa! Party time. Excellent. Oh, you're not really afraid of it, huh? Come here. You want to look? You're the one that wants to escape every night. Oh. Okay, that looks good to me. That consistency. I'm not sure if Jethro's digging this, but that doesn't matter. He wanted to be in here cooking, so he's in here cooking with us. So, look, I even put Michael Myers in it. Whatever. So, now I'm supposed to add my dried apricots and raisins and coconut sugar. So, it's a 1/4 cup of everything almost. So, I'll go ahead and put chia seeds. Oh, I guess the walnuts would be kind of hard to. These are like whole walnuts. I'm actually going to do about a 1/4 cup of those. That's going to take the place of something. Or maybe I should just use them all. Sure. There. Let's go ahead and chop those up a little more. You guys are just freaking out. A 1/4 cup of flax meal, which I don't have meal. It's seed, and I don't know if this is going to be okay or not, so we'll find out. A 1/4 cup of this. Also 2 tablespoons, of chia seeds. Why not a little more? Tapioca flour in there, because that's kind of substituting extra space that the rolled oats aren't there for. I don't really know. Whatever. Tapioca flour can be like a substitution for flour. Oh, and we're gonna put in our raisins and our sunflower seeds, because it also says a 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds. So this is just a, oh no. So my battery's dead and this isn't gonna work. I thought I was gonna use my light all night. A 1/4 cup of these sunflower seeds. Fine, we're not gonna use the light, that's fine. Okay, maybe I could just go ahead and continue with this angle for now. It wants the coconut sugar, oh, brown sugar. Shredded coconut I don't have. Puffed amaranth, amaranth, what is quinoa, cooked quinoa, and it says you can use raw quinoa, but if it's cooked, there's already water in it. So I would imagine if you're using cooked quinoa versus raw quinoa, one of the outcomes is going to be more dry than the other. So I do need to add salt and cinnamon and baking soda, and this is where I'm going to add my ginger. There's a ball of ginger. That can be kind of spicy, so you don't want too much. 1/4 cup of raisins. I'm just doubling the recipe. Just double the recipe. And the raisins are sweet, so honestly, this sugar goes a long way. And there's going to be honey in the recipe too, so this is all the sugar you're putting in, is whatever you want. For Aussie Bites, you're supposed to use the mini muffin tin pans, so I'm going to have to like grease up every single one of them. That'll be fun. Okay. Can you see me? Can you see me here? Let me look. As I was doing all this stuff, everything died. Oh, I'm gonna microwave my butter and I'm gonna pulse this stuff now that it's 1:30 in the morning. I've got my everything in here, except I didn't put the salt in yet and I didn't put in the baking soda. Just 1/4 of a teaspoon. But remember, I'm doubling up the recipe, so there's not a 1/4, but maybe 1/2 teaspoon. I don't know. And then I'm supposed to use 1/4 teaspoon of salt. There's my 1/4 teaspoon times 2. Yeah. Okay, so we have a nice flour consistency with everything, and everything's in bits and pieces. There we go, guys. Do you see that? Okay. To the dry mix, add a 1/3 cup of melted coconut oil, which we're going to do a 1/3 cup of this really nice butter, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup or honey, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Decisions, but I could go ahead and get my oven preheated now since I didn't do that earlier because everything died anyway. There's the mini muffin tins. They won't come out. What is going on? I got it. Okay. I can use whoever I choose. This is okay. This is good. I still have some canola oil spray. That'll save me the pain of greasing them individually. Look, I'm gonna use an ice cream scooper to get my quinoa out. We'll put the butter in. It's supposed to be 1/4 of a cup. A nice 1/2 cup is good. What else was it? Oh, vanilla. So it's focused again on me. Oh yeah, nice. Nice, nice. We don't have the coconut oil in there, we got the butter instead. We'll see. My ice cream scoop. This looks like a really good consistency. I don't think I have to do anything else. So I'm gonna show you what this looks like. Okay. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the muffin tins. Okay. Whoa, this majig. It's a cookie scooper. I could use this on a cookie sheet and do it that way, but these are Aussie Bites. My cats are probably wondering who I'm talking to. Nobody, just myself, just my followers. The other muffins, all the ones I greased up, are gonna like smoke up the house now. So I'm probably gonna just try to dry it out real quick with a paper towel before I put them in the oven so that I'm not smoking up my house. Much better. Okay, we'll put these on the middle rack. Ow! Of course I touched the metal. Okay, and then I'll put the other 4 on the top. Okay, there we go. They're not gonna cook evenly. The 5 on top might be done faster, but we'll find out. They look like nice little toasty muffins. So I'm guessing I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out right now, like it says. 36 seconds, because I only put them in for, it said 10 to 12 minutes. I'm gonna pull them out and show you. And my light freaking died again. Dang it. I probably messed up the recipe a little bit, so I just am going by what I think is like done looking or not. Wanted to make sure you guys could tell what they look like. I'm gonna let them cool in the pan. Looks like it's not sticking, so. Without that light, you can't really tell. They're really good, guys. The light's gonna die. But that's what they look like. Really good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did. Here's what they look like. I can actually see what I'm taping this way. Nice. They're very nice. Can you see them? Oh, you want to try one? You want to try one, Jethro? They have all the good stuff in it. Flaxseed, oatmeal, chia seed, honey, quinoa. Cat. I'll just spend the rest of the night editing this so I can put it up. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye.